Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be what's new in Homesense. We've come in to get some Christmas bits and also some other things for the shelves that we've got that we've recently put up. So the cabinets, yeah. So we're going to see what's new in here and have a look at the Christmas stuff. We haven't been here since Halloween, have we?
No, I'm excited. Well, it's pretty Christmassy to be fair. Lots
of festive flowers in here. Yeah. Look at these wreaths, they're big,
really
aren't
nice,
they?
Actually.
That gold one's nice, isn't it? It's really big.
Wait, ain't bad.
How much?
40.
Not too bad actually, because it's a big one. What is that there?
It's like a bent over angel.
It actually is. What is it doing? Is there no like, I want this, like a garland.
Yeah.
How much is that? We need one for the stairs. These are cute.
They look quite cute actually.
So cool. Look at this TV. Oh my god. It's a big bauble. Where'd you put that? What tree would you put that on? Outside tree. Cute little stockings. More snow globes. Here, look. I like this one.
Yeah.
I really like this cushion here. It says Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
But it's like a soft one.
Oh, duck. Duck, innit?
Yeah. I really like this throw. This is nice, isn't it? I've got so many cushions, I can't get any more. Gold. You know what I love gold. What?
Egypt.
Egypt, yeah.
This is my kind of section right here. Sweets and chocolate.
So many like crackers in here, look. I need to get some crackers. You drive me crackers. And my Bridgewater one, look.
What would you want out of all
They're
that?
just never that snazzy, are they?
What would you want out of that, though?
Out of all of that,
What would you like?
probably the key ring.
Which one was that?
That little one there, the heart one.
This one?
No.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
It's an earring, isn't it?
It's a nose ring. Loads of snazzy wrapping. Like this one, like a candy cane. I'm thinking a candy cane theme next year for our tree. It smells very Christmassy here. I think it's all of these candles.
Oh, so
Smell that.
You're giddy today, aren't you? Smell that one.
There, don't
Oh,
worry.
that's really strong. What is that? You got quite a good nose.
I don't like it. It's like perfume. It's really strong. My nose, my scents are... I don't know what the word... My nose smells are heightened at the minute.
Honeysuckle hedgerow. Quite nice.
Miss Honey.
I'm not doing that again.
They got Yankee candles, look, $14.99.
What's that?
It says on it.
No.
Currant.
Currant and apple.
What's a currant?
Like a raisin, isn't it?
Like a black currant.
No, like a raisin, isn't it?
That's a raisin.
It looks like a raisin, doesn't it? A currant is a dried raisin, isn't it? Is that right?
That's a grape. A grape is a dried raisin.
What?
Oh, that's cute. That's like Dudley, isn't it? Oh, cute. Oh, I like these plates. These are really pretty. This is like cute. This is like winter, but like not too in your face. These are nice little tea towels. Ralph Lauren.
It's a nice little...
$7.99 though, it's quite cheap. Got Zoella little bag. Is that just a bag, is it? A little makeup bag. Oh, and Skinny Dip London. Oh my god. Cute. How much is this? $4.99 makeup bag. That is so cute for Christmas. You like it?
I like that.
Put it in your ensuite.
Just that.
Just that. This one. He looks a bit grumpy, that dog.
What is that, pug?
Looks a bit sad.
Pugs aren't black and white, are they?
French bulldog. This one's nicer, to be fair.
Looks like she's wearing a hat. Doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Right, so we need to pick a wreath.
Oh, no, these ones.
They are small. Goldie one down there. You don't like these ones?
I don't really like brown ones. They just like pick little leaves up outside.
It's rustic, babe.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so I'm back from Homesense now and I thought I would show you what I bought because we did buy a few little bits as well, so I'm going to show you what I got right now. Okay, so the first thing I got was this little guy. Oh my god, how cute is he? Such a cute little Santa. I don't even know what he is. Like, is this a little Santa? I don't know. Anyway, he can't see, but I bought him for this room actually. I thought it would look really nice on the shelves in here, and he was only £7.99. So I absolutely love this little Santa guy. He's like a little Santa gnome. I don't know. He looks cute anyway. I then picked up some frames because the other day I printed off loads of photos, but they were all in like the 5x5 size, you know, like the Instagram size, and I found it really hard to find photo frames for like multiple photos. So instead I got 2 of these, which are really gorgeous grey frames, and they're an 8x8 frame, so you could get an 8x8 photo in there, or this one here is just 5x5 with the like border around it. So yeah, I've got 2 of those to put in this room again on the shelves. I just thought that would look really nice when I styled them out. And that is the other one, and this one was £4.99, so they were £4.99 each, which I think is really good. We then picked up some Christmas crackers because we hadn't got any yet, and our dining room theme is kind of gold and red, so we got this one. This is the one Mark picked, and he kind of picked it for all of the little bits on the back, but I think he actually picked this one for the shoehorn that you get in one of the crackers. But anyway, there are a few other bits in there that the kids might like, but they're a bit more swish, these ones. I need to get some kid ones, I think. Those are more for the adults, and that was £10 for that. And then I picked up 2 Christmas decorations for this room again. So I got this gorgeous Christmas tree, which I just thought was so nice, silver with like a wooden base, and that one was £5.99. And then I picked up this star, which they weren't together in a range or anything, but I thought they went quite well together. And I've got this star, which I thought could be quite autumnal as well, or even all year round, and it's got like silver just around the edges. And this one was £5.99, so I got those 2 bits as well. And yeah, that is everything we bought from Homesense. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, guys, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!